Good morning. This is Professor Sinha again on the very widely topics that a seminar on the research methodology. I like to thank all the organizer for this such marvelous seminar, that is a seminar on the research methodology. So inside of Professor Sinha, I like to present the topic that is the research methodology, especially on the research methodology techniques. So in my presentation, I am going to discuss some things regarding the introductions, means what are the research methodology, what are the methods, what are the data analysis methods, why we do research, nature of research, what is not research, stage of research process, advantage, disadvantage, and various references where we contain this document. Okay, so the thing is that methodology, the design of any research project require considerable attention to the research method and the proposed data analysis. Within these sections, we have to attempt to provide some information about how to produce a research design for the study. We offer a basic overview, the research method, portion of our research proposals, and then some data analysis template for the different types of design. Our goal is not to answer any questions, but provide a head starts. So what is the research methodology? The process used to collect information and data for the purpose of making business decision. The methodology may include publication research, interviews, survey, and other research techniques, and could include both present and historical information also. So research methods contains the method sections of any proposal must address several fundamental design components. The research method document describes number of components required for a foundable proposals. So we have the various data analysis method are there. So data analysis method vary considered from the event within the type of research design. Some methods such as single subject diagram do not necessarily need a Australian POCIs, online statistical analysis, to convey the experimental control over the dependent variables. Most quantitative designs such as random trials and the many quasi-experiment design require statistical analysis. So why we do research? The thing is that why we do research? We do research for the validation of intuitions, improve methods, demand of the job, or only for the application. It depends upon you. So we are going to nature of study and nature of research. So some bogus surveys are there. So statistics are hard to obtain and interpret. Difficult to know if the situation is getting better or worse. Program procedure will not allow to talk about the complexity of method, but will use number of horary waivers like news about the floods or squat slash. Real research content methodologically rigorous and finding are interpretables. So what is not a research? So just collecting fact or information with no clear purpose, that is not a research. If we are going to collect the information without any means, without any understanding, but still we are doing the exercise and we are doing various programs without any objective, then it is not a research. Okay, resembling and recording fact of information without interpretations means if we are forgetting the discussion and deliberation, then resembling and recording fact of information without interpretation, it is also not. So then if these are not research, then what is research? Then something that people, researchers or scientists, and that's in order to find things out a systematic way. We have to organize the concept, thereby increasing their knowledge. So research is that something that people undertake in order to characteristics of the research are there. There is a clear purpose to find out things, what we are going to do and which types of tasks we are going to perform. We have to identify first. Second, the data are collected systematic. If we are going to collect the information as per the topic considered, we have to collect the data systematic. Data are interpret systematic. Means if we have already collected information, we are unable to process and present information successfully, then that is another bad characteristic. So these are the characteristics. There is clear purpose to find out things. Data are collected systematic, data are interpreted systematically. So future of research, basic and applied concern about that. If we are talking about the basic research, we have the purpose is that expand knowledge of process of business and management. Result is universal principle relating to the process and in relation to outcome, finding of significance and value to the society in general. If we are talking about the context and concern, undertaken by people based on the university, use of topic and objective determined by the researcher, and flexible time scale. If we are talking the applied research, so applied research purpose is improve understanding of particular business or management problems. If we are talking about that basic information like that, why